Family though. Anyway, yesterday some of the celebrities for Ghana the tweet say why the president of Ghana no go talk anything, what they go on, why they see he be a COAS chairman, whatever. Yo, the social media will be very powerful if on don't know. The celebrities way on a come blue way on a get 1 million followers and whatever. Samuni man kofu 1 million follow mo. Moka the mobe can be ano and kofu 1 million or plus. Because some people say they don't follow yourself, but then they see whatever way you they talk. You understand? Then they see everything way you they talk. So anything way you they talk, you for be very careful. Because anything you go talk, even if you talk them, you tweet them, or you do video, you delete them later. Somebody screen record them, somebody screenshot them. Bloggers get them, wait and post them already. Wait be your account, to be your handle. God being so good, with the feel filter, we they see who be verified and who way don't be verified. You understand? So if celebrity talk, if let's say John Cena talk something, we be verified page. Me not say be John Cena we talk, because if you know be original John Cena, like you know be verified. You get what I talk. So anything you go talk today, it day for life. You get what I talk. The other kind, you know, a for life. Open delete, open block yourself, delete your account, deactivate your account. It's still good there. So you for be very careful about some of the things you talk. You understand? We honor the viewers. Honor for be very careful. If honor the pray, say, may God commit false prophets. Momo Mpaya say Nyankopon be false celebrities and so. Because false celebrities no can send and as I'm live certain life, flashy life. Emani look is a legit or a celebrity in Tibia. Sebi on name pono. Monya very careful. Because say every celebrity be like human being. You be human being just like you and I. You understand? Me, I know they classify myself as celebrity because at the end of the day, me was streets, you understand? I know they classify myself as celebrity. Every day they talk this matter. Medical no be celebrity. Medical be like you where you they watch me right now. Medical be that person. You understand? I know be star. Baby, I come close. Moku take picture. Moku walk. Moku vibe. Talk to me. Tell me about your life. Let me know what's going on in your life. I can also open up and talk to you about my life. If it go be something where sense go there inside. You understand? If I will advise you or if you will even advise me. Because me, I did take advice from Kidi we chop 10-year-old self. Like, we already 10 years, crap. Me advice for you, you understand? No wake up. Then talk say, yeah, Nigeria people, they fight. So, yeah, where the Ghana president did, make it talk something because he be ECOWAS, what? Yo, me, I no be politician. I know go tell you say I dey support MPP, NDC, PNDC or whatever. I'm just a citizen in a country where be governed by some group of people, and I respect that. That be all. I no go talk say MPP are there or NDC are there. No, I'm not that type of person. I don't even follow that. Do you understand? But at the end of the day, you know, as an individual, I know how it feels when you are trying to throw dirt into somebody's eyes indirectly. They try to make the person look some type of way. Akufo-Addo never give me 1 Ghana before. John Mahama never give me 2 cedis before. Nobody ever give me money. I never chop any politician in money before ever in my career. I never chop any president or ex-president or incoming president in money before. And I'm not gonna lie about it because it has never happened. My Jiska bo baby, I make catch or say ya Jiska. No, ya Jiska be a Yanko Pon and I survive it. Tackle situation where we they take survive. You dey get me? No wake up, then come talk your mind because you think say you be celebrity, you rich, you get platform. So if I use the platform against somebody in father. Because at the end of the day, if like the president be your father, I know sure say you go wake up, tweet something, bash the president. Where the president not do anything harmful or against you as an individual, celebrity or a normal person. Yeah. Celebrity or normal person. Yesterday, I see some tweets from Yvonne Nelson and some other celebrities, and I was so hurt because indirectly they try to say when a president, because indirectly they try to say when a president be at fault for what they go on, and if for do something. The country self way everything they happen for the Nigeria self. Then my president don't talk anything. You know, come talk film on Becca Shimpo and say, oh, Munya Butre na Bibia be fine. That one said, you know, come talk. You understand? So why you for bash your own president? Your own president will not do you anything. The nation, you want a country and everything they go on, small, and cry, we are safe. There's no war, there's no hunger strike. Everything they go on, when our airports be open. If you are frustrated and you want to fly out of the country to Miami or wherever for holidays, you can go anytime. There's nothing like that. There are no crises. Right now the light off self, you know, they like he used to day before. Me, I know the kind of last time they give me light off. I don't know where it stay, but me last time I want my light off. But I'm not even saying this to praise the current government on the seats or the current president where they sit on the seats right now. I know they follow politics. That's what I tell you from the beginning. Me, I never take one city set from any president or ex-president or incoming president. You get what I talk? So in my mind where they talk, no party go feed do me anything. Because at the end of the day, J wants the crown free party be. But no wake up. Make one a president look like you know they care about anything where they go on. If one a president know they care about we human beings, the time where Corona come, we started do this lockdown thing almost every week. President they come, fellow Ghanaians. I believe you guys are seeing what's going on. We plead with you to stay in your homes, stay clean, stay healthy. Sanitize your hands, wear the nose mask. Yeah, when a president be that. And I'm proud of Nana Akufo-Addo because at the end of the day, some presidents for other countries, their citizens or individuals or people where they live for that country, they know they even see the president. If they go see the president, they do some press conference for some side, for different country, where they take picture, where they post them before then they see the president. So if my president, if he come address me, make her feel like, yeah, the president said we did like my party because they talk to me. They make her know where they go on. They make her not say that they control or they take measures and precautions and whatever, what they happen in the country. So don't wake up, go on your Facebook or Instagram or Twitter and just tweet something because you think you have followers. Yo, the president is a human being. He get blood, he get tears, he dey shit, he dey chop, he dey fuck, he dey do everything some. He get kiddies. You want to tell me, say if the president be your father, you go wake up to say, yo, daddy, what are you doing? Make sure you do a statement or do a video. Let the people know your consent. If the president can't show in consent, what's going to happen? Then it be see. If he come talk, say, fellow Nigerians, I can see what's going on. There's war and we are trying to control and make sure everything goes well so every citizen will be happy and will make amends. Yo, the people wait and die for Nigeria. Nana Akufo-Addo no go fit bring them back. Even Buhari way, you know they talk anything self. He no go fit bring them back. Ontimi for biamba. So what we for do be see, we for just pray. Say everything go end. Make everything be peaceful. Moku stop the loose souls. RIP to all the gone souls. RIP to anybody who die. And my condolence to anybody who lose a loved one or a family member, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, a partner, any soul way you lose. I give you my condolences. But I beg you, the celebrities, you know, for listening to anything where we go talk, including myself. And you be an eno crew. It told be a low. Remember be blog be. It be cranes can and Diana media. But now me pressure na foul because I say a medical and normal. Hello. More na hello. By the end of the day, you know me, I be okay. I be rich man. I know the beg celebrities. I say I know the beg celebrities. I know the beg politicians for money to survive because God has blessed me. I have enough money to survive. Do you understand? Because Nyamie Shrami, at the end of the day, you know, if I wake up every morning, I know they go ask Akufo-Addo or John Mahama or Pakwe Sindum, say make you give me money, make I take chop. No, so I go talk my mind. So I dey beg you, if you dey read things for the internet top, if you dey read things, if you dey see things, no be just internet. If you dey listen radio, if you dey watch TV, no thing say anything you dey see for TV, radio, social media, and no one confirm because celebrity will talk am. I beg you. Some of the celebrities, them be Banku celebrities. We get Banku celebrities. We get Shawarma celebrities. We get Indomie celebrities. We get celebrities will be genuine. We get celebrities will be allo, where they live fake lifestyle. MDK, me, I know they live fake lifestyle. If I damu, I dey talk am say I damu. If I get money, I dey talk am say I get money. That be real shit. I feel say my fans, they follow my lifestyle, my footsteps. So at the end of the day, I for motivate them. I for make them know say at a point in life, you can be broke. And at a point in life, you can be rich. And that's that be life. You understand? Yeah. Me sorry, me track a crowd, me okay, me baby D, and money in quine be, yeah, me we are my son called damn it ain't chain. Yeah, that be how to live my life. At this studio right now. At this studio, 24/7 at the record, because that be what they bring me the money. That be what they give me the guap. The money way I get from music, every day I thank God for that, because people they do music. People they rap past me. Plenty of people where they rap past medical. Then you understand? By the end of the day, God bless me. Yeah, they must run out to me so. Ubeti me aka. I the rap past Jay-Z. I the rap past Jay-Z. But me the never coaching because nyame shira me. What I say, Nyankopon I make say no wapeja me. Why me voice me style be until they make be a be comfort there. Yeah, and I'll be proud of that, and I appreciate that. That will even be the point of this whole life and this discussion. What I'm trying to say is beware, or don't take whatever celebrities say into conclusion. Nothing says celebrity talk am, so that be all. Oh, celebrity talk am. Oh, is this a medical cell just tweet them so you become no? Maybe a name kwasasem. Read to understand. Don't just read and follow. If you read and follow, like that. Read to comprehend, to understand. Don't get yourself astonished later by coming to say, but this guy said, what he talking? They make sense. You see, say yesterday, I talk say, Nana Akufo-Addo, no day in a position right now, say he for talk anything about what's going on in Nigeria, because that's not his country, bro. Yo, if Ghana be Nigeria, where Ghana, all this is going on, when a president go come talk, he go address the nation. That be who we know him for. Show busy be that. Show boy. Yeah. Fellow Ghanaians, I see what's going on. Please maintain peace. Make sure law and order is being carried on in the country. We don't want bloodshed. We don't want gory situations in this country. But it's not here, bro. What you want the president come talk? Obi mindful and kwa some koso was no. Ongo den. Then ongo ka. Onga se fellow Nigerians, stop the fighting and stay in your houses and avoid being on the streets to avoid being shot. And I said, then ongo. What's making Nana Akufo-Addo go talk? Then ongo. Some of you people they talk like on a no get sense. Some of you people they talk like, yeah, because you be celebrities and you they drive maybe some flashy car, you pass any human being. You know, pass any human being. I they tell you, me sometimes I feel walk from my area. Me I told you I'm a far Uber because I they miss that life. I tire. The celebrities have nothing there inside. I they make you people know. Celebrities star, nothing there inside. Then the room. Because if you make stuff finish, you know, if you go Amelie and they say you want talk, you want chop wachi. You know, if you go banners on a normal self say you want chop fufu. You know, if you go Abrewa say okwa di fufu. You understand? I beg you. Right now, what they go on, people they die, people they lose their lives, people they lose their families, their loved ones, their boyfriends, their girlfriends. What we they want right now be say make peace prevail for Nigeria. That be all. This no be the time say they come accuse somebody in father say why they see say something they go on for some other country so he for talk. The president for that other country said they don't know where he did. So Senegal, so Togo, so America, so London. Nobody know. So why they go at them? That be my problem. Don't do that. That's inhumane. You understand? Because at the end of the day, and your papa and Kawon yes sir. your papa nko why din na o one side.